Hi, today we're going to be looking at words that have the silent letter B. Are you ready? Yeah. So there are a couple of different words in the English language that have the silent letter B. And you can find these words in some words that have the letter M come before the letter B. So you have words like bomb. Yeah, bomb, not bomb. So the second B is silent. So you say bomb. And then we also have comb, comb. Oh, hmm. So the B is silent. Comb. Then we have plumber. Say plumber, not plumber. It's plumber, plumber. So the plumber has a yellow comb. All right. Then we also have tomb, tomb, not tomb, tomb. All right. The tomb is empty. The tomb is empty. Jesus is alive. Yeah. So you say tomb, all right? Okay, then we also have lamb, lamb, climb. You want to climb up the ladder, climb. Then we have limb, limb, womb, womb. So you can see that these words have the letter M come before the letter B. So in most cases, when you have words like this that have the letter M come before the letter B, the B is usually silent. In most cases, maybe there are a few exemptions, but in most cases you have it so. So we have more words like cram. Yes. You can also find the silent letter B in words that have the B come right before the letter T. Words like debt, debtor, debtor, not debtor, not debt. Then we also have subtle, subtle, not subtle, right? So it's subtle, subtle, debtor, debt. Yeah. Yeah, so those are examples of words that have the silent letter B in them. So there's some couple of other videos I've made on some couple of other words in the English language that you want to learn how to pronounce correctly. Now, while you're learning how to pronounce, ensure that you're practicing. So when I say tomb, for instance, you want to repeat after me and say tomb. So the more you practice, the better you'll get at pronouncing English words correctly. Okay? So if you have learned something new today, please give this a like, click the subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye.